Right now, 90% of people watching this video will never build real wealth. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because nobody ever told them the real rules of money. And the crazy part? The 10% who do build wealth, they all follow the same simple patterns. Patterns that anyone can learn, including you. I'm going to show you exactly what separates the 90% from the 10%, and how you can switch sides starting today. But first, let me show you something that might shock you. According to the Federal Reserve, 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. The median American retirement savings? Less than $65,000. And the top 10% of households? They own over 67% of all wealth in the United States. This isn't happening by accident. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. And today, I'm going to show you how to use that system in your favor. Mistake number 1. You're trading time for money. Here's the first reason why 90% of people stay broke. They believe that the only way to make money is to work for it, hour by hour, day by day. And look, there's nothing wrong with working hard. I respect that. But here's the brutal truth. You only have 24 hours in a day. Your boss has 24 hours. Elon Musk has 24 hours. The difference is, Elon's money is also working while he sleeps. The wealthy don't just trade time for money. They build systems that make money for them. Investments, businesses, real estate, digital assets. The question isn't, how much can I earn per hour? The real question is, what am I building that will pay me while I sleep? Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds great, but I have no money to invest. And I hear you. We're going to talk about that. But first, reason number 2. Mistake number 2. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise at work. What do? Most people immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger apartment, nicer car, more eating out. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest wealth killers in America. Here's the math. Let's say you earn $50,000 a year. You get a raise to $60,000. That's an extra $10,000, or about $833 per month. The 90% spend that $833 on a better Netflix plan, extra subscriptions, nicer clothes. In 1 year, that $10,000 raise vanishes, zero saved. The 10%? They invest that $833 every month into index funds. In 10 years at a 10% return, that's over $170,000. Same raise, completely different outcome. The wealthy don't increase their spending every time they earn more. They increase their investing and keep their spending flat. This concept has a name. It's called paying yourself first, and it changed everything for me. Mistake number 3. Zero financial education. Here's something that will make you angry. In 12 years of school, did anyone teach you how compound interest works? Did anyone explain what an index fund is? Did anyone show you how to read a balance sheet? Of course not. The school system teaches you to be a good employee, not a good investor. And that gap in knowledge, it costs the average American over $200,000 in their lifetime. The rich teach their kids about money at the dinner table. They explain stocks, real estate, taxes, and compounding. The rest of us learn by making expensive mistakes. But here's the good news. You're watching this video. That means you're already doing what the 10% do. You're investing in your financial education right now. And the ROI on knowledge? It's unlimited. Mistake number 4. Making decisions based on fear. March 2020, the stock market crashes 34% in 33 days. COVID hits. Everyone is panicking. What did the 90% do? They sold everything, locked in their losses. What did the 10% do? They bought more. 1 year later, the S&P 500 fully recovered and hit new all-time highs. The people who panicked, they missed the entire recovery. Wealth is built by being greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. That's a direct quote from Warren Buffett, and it's the most counterintuitive thing about money. Your emotions are your biggest enemy when it comes to investing. The 10% have systems in place that remove emotion from the equation. Automated investments, long-term thinking, boring consistency. Okay, enough of what the 90% do wrong. Let's talk about what you're going to do differently. Here's your step-by-step action plan. These are the exact steps that 10% follow. Step 1. Build your emergency fund first. Before you invest a single dollar, build 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Right now, you can get 4 to 5% interest on savings accounts. That's free money. This fund is your foundation. Without it, you'll be forced to sell investments at the worst time. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Credit card debt at 20 to 25% interest, that's a guaranteed negative investment. Pay it off aggressively before investing anything else. You can't out-invest 24% interest. Nobody can. Step 3. Automate your investments. Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab if you're in the US. Set up an automatic monthly transfer, even $100 per month. Invest in a total market index fund like VTI or VOO. Don't touch it, don't check it every day. Let compound interest do the work. Step 4. Increase your income. You can only cut expenses so much, but income has no ceiling. Learn a high-income skill, freelance, start a side hustle. Every extra $500 per month invested at 10% return for 20 years, that's over $380,000. Step 5. Never stop learning. Read one personal finance book per month. Watch channels like this one. The more you know about money, the more money will come to you. That's not a cliche. That's compound interest applied to knowledge. Look, joining the 10% isn't about being lucky. It's not about having a rich family or a trust fund. It's about making different choices every single day. Small choices that compound over time into massive results. The 90% wait for the right moment to start. The 10% start now, even with $50, even with $10, because they understand the best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video opened your eyes, drop a comment below. 10%. Just that. I want to see how many of you are ready to make the switch. And if you want to know exactly how to invest your first $1,000 step by step, I made a full video on that. It's right there. Go watch it next. I'll see you in the next one.